think my number one advice to that person, that kid out there listening, or anybody out there that's like young TP, would be, man, trust the path, trust the process. And it's very cliche, you hear it all the time, but truly trust the process. Like I said, it can take days, weeks, months, and years until you truly see what's your purpose and what's your why.
Yeah.
As long as you stay the course and understand that, I seen this one quote which is really beautiful, but great sailors never became great sailors because of calm storms. So understand you're going to go through life, right? All you can do is prepare for them the best way you can. But even then, sometimes those storms may be even harder than what you prepared for, because it's going to get hard, right? And you know that. So as long as you know that, go.